This is how you take apart an Xbox 360. Start by taking off the outside vents. Okay. Just don't snap everything you take off. Don't want to destroy it. That was always hard to get off, so switch it over. Do the same thing. So this side's way easier to take off. Sometimes take screwdriver, like, I don't know, like 4 millimeters. Not today. Jesus. What is holding this thing together now? Oh, you know what? Look at that. Pretty nifty. Put it inside the Xbox instead.
Wi-Fi.
You're going to see that on the inside of the Xbox there are little latches. Those are easy to take off though. There we go. There you go. Jeez. I'm going to spread those to the outside. There you go, you got your first half off. And you take the front off. Should be a little string-like plastic thing around the inside. I'm going to just pull that out.
Make sure that you don't tear it.
Yeah, do not rip this part. It will screw you up.
Cause touchscreen not to work.
I guess that wasn't screwed in very well. Don't forget to take the screws out before you try to take it off. Now you're going to want to need really small flathead. That's the only way you can take these screws out. Unless you have the specialty star screwdriver, then you're set for life.
How many screws would you say are in this?
Like 5. All the black screws. No offense.
We're not racist.
Not today. Oh man. Now, before you take the whole Xbox off, you want to flip it over. There you go. You got this part.
This is your internal organs.
There you go.
Be careful not to mess that up.
And just remember to take out your discs before you put one in. Or, you know, take it apart. That's what I meant to say. Because that will ruin that disc like no other. Take that out. That goes around the fan, protects it. Remember to put that back in. What's it? Is it screwed in? No, it's not. Come on. Oh, it is. Screwed in. Did not notice that. Alright. Now, you can take this part out. Maybe. Okay, yeah. Yes, unscrewed this.
By the way, take this apart at your own risk. We are not accountable for anything that happens to your console.
During the time being. Make sure all connections of your Xbox are
Plugged
nice
in.
and plugged in. And if they aren't, then just plug them in. They're easy. I mean, you could just detach everything. They got little clips for each one. Notice this is the hard drive port thing.
You gotta make sure those are plugged in all the way.
Oh, got another one in there. Can you grab it? It's the one with the wires. It's all the way inside. It's green, blue. Yeah. Okay, look at that. Nothing different. Notice how old Xbox 360s, like the white ones, you are able to take the inside, the big plastic thing off, and you can use the inside hard drive as well as with these new Xbox 360s. As you notice, these are exactly the same, just different connections. Just go through that. Don't need that no more. Yeah, I think that, yeah. There we go. It's really hard to get that yellow thing back on there. I'm going to put everything back where it was, and don't screw up. Screwing up leads in maybe a mainframe failure, your hard drive screwing up like mine did.
By the way, if you have the red ring of death, it's probably something that's wrong with your hard drive. So, take out your hard drive and see if your Xbox can start up.